Selecting the right screen material for your home theater is as simple as understanding your environment. 𝐒𝐞 offers an array of screen material options to accommodate various room conditions. Each of these screen materials has been specifically crafted to maximize your home theater experience. Before we begin with the in-depth aspect of this video, I'd like to summarize what materials we'll be covering. Matte white is simply the best option for price and performance in a room with controlled lighting conditions. Investing a little more and considering ambient light concerns, you may consider the 𝐒𝐞𝐫 5D material, which is an ambient light rejecting screen for rooms with ambient light. If you wish to keep your speakers hidden from view, you're going to want to consider an acoustically transparent screen material such as the Acoustic Pro 1080p3 sound transparent material. In this video, 𝐒𝐞 will demonstrate its three most popular materials and the various roles they were designed to fulfill. We will explain general projection screen terminology such as viewing angle, gain, color temperature, contrast, 3D polarization, ambient light rejection, and sound transparency to help you better understand the importance of each feature. We begin with our most versatile front projection material, the 𝐶INEWhite, which is a matte white surface. Matte white is the most versatile of projection screens on the market today. Their wide viewing angle can accommodate virtually any seating arrangement with a uniform degree of brightness. Color temperature is the balance of true color definition in a picture. It is important to make sure that your projector is properly calibrated and paired with a suitable projection screen material in order to ensure accurate color temperature as intended by the filmmakers. This will keep your image from developing a red, green, or blue shift, which can spoil your big screen experience. Enhancing your black levels ensures that picture clarity and small details in the image are not lost in the darker regions of the picture. Typically, a fair amount of contrast can be maintained as long as ambient light is either controlled or compensated for through the use of a specialty screen material. Diffusion uniformity is when a projector's light is evenly reflected across the full 180-degree range of viewing angles on a projection surface. In other words, the picture has equal brightness regardless of where the viewer is seated in front of the screen. There is no loss of picture quality and brightness when viewed at different angles. This is an important feature when watching a movie if the viewers wish to spread out, as opposed to sitting in rows directly in front of the screen. Gain is the unit of measurement determining the projection surface's brightness level. 1.0 gain is the industry standard of a matte white screen with pure color neutrality when measured from looking directly at the screen from a perpendicular angle. Since the typical matte white screen has a 1.0 gain uniformity, this means that brightness is uniformly consistent from any viewing angle from 1 to 180 degrees. 𝐒𝐞's matte white materials have a 1.1 gain measurement and a slightly enhanced brightness. Matte white is ideally suited to an environment with a reasonable amount of control over ambient light, which is the case in most dedicated home theater installations. With a matte white material, the darker the room environment, the better performance it will achieve. The 𝐒𝐞𝐫 5D front projection material is a high-gain screen that utilizes ambient light rejecting or ALR technology for enhanced picture quality. The 𝐒𝐞𝐫 5D performs exceptionally well in environments with high ambient light present. The 1.5 gain also provides a brighter picture, but also maintains color balance and black level contrast. Both of these are essential for attaining the same big screen theater performance in your home. As an added benefit, the 𝐒𝐞𝐫 5D achieves a greater level of image polarization, making it ideal for theater-grade passive 3D imaging in addition to active 3D performance. The 𝐒𝐞𝐫 5D has a narrower viewing angle of 80 degrees, while providing an exceptional picture that rivals the quality of large flat-panel televisions. The 𝐒𝐞𝐫 5D works best with an inline seating arrangement, but overall is capable of providing an exceptional picture with ambient room lighting. Lastly, let's look at the Acoustic Pro 1080p3. The Acoustic Pro 1080p3 is a woven front projection material that is porous so that sound may pass through without compromising audio quality. This acoustically transparent, or AT design, is meant for placement over in-wall speakers, which is something that you see and is quite common in many professional installations. Because the weave material has micro perforations, there is minimal light loss so that the image rivals that of our matte white screen. The material maintains a wide viewing angle with a 1.0 gain and therefore best performs in an environment where light can be completely controlled and is best coupled with a moderate to bright projector. As you can see, selecting the best material for your specific needs is as much about your choice in projector as it is your ability to control ambient light in your particular room. For more information on these screen materials as well as others, please visit 𝐒𝐫𝐞𝐥𝐞𝐳.com.